Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create Linux EC2 instance in AWS and how to download and install Universal Forwarder on that Linux EC2 instance. I have also given you the GitHub link where you can find all the commands which I use in this video. Now, let's get into the demo.
Let's go to AWS and let's create a new Linux instance. I'm going to create the Linux instance by clicking on Launch Instances. I'll name this as Linux UF. Amazon Machine Image as Red Hat. Instance type as T2 large. I'll select my key pair. And let's select an existing security group here. Let's configure the storage as 30 GB3. Yes. Yeah, let's launch this instance. Okay, the instance is created. It's still in pending state. Let's wait for it to turn to running. As you can see, the instance state is converted to running. Now let's connect to this instance and install the Universal Forwarder. Let's click on connect here. Let's copy this SSH. Let me go to my git bash. Let's navigate to the folder which has .pem file. I have it in my downloads. Let's paste the command which copied. Yes, we are connected to the Linux instance which we created. Now, let's log in as a root user. Let me update the yum installer. Let's create a user and group called Splunk. It's done. Now let's create a directory for Splunk Forwarder. Now let's list the contents of OPT folder and check if the directory is created or not. Yes, the Splunk Forwarder directory is created. But you can observe the root user is the owner of this directory. Let's change it to the Splunk user. Let's list the contents again. Let's check if the ownership is changed. Yes, Splunk user is the owner of this directory now. Now let's install wget package here. Yes, it's installed. Now let's switch to Splunk user. Let's navigate to home directory. Now we have to download the Splunk Universal Forwarder. For that, we should get the wget command from splunk.com. Now we are going to download Splunk Universal Forwarder for the Linux. In the splunk.com, under products, go for free trials and downloads. Scroll down to find Universal Forwarder. Click on Get My Free Download. In here, select Linux operating system. Under 64-bit, we need .tzz file. Let's download this. Let's agree to the terms and conditions and click on Access Program. Okay, let's cancel this download here. We just need the command line command. Let's copy this and let's paste it in the git bash. Yes, Splunk forwarder is downloaded. Now we have to extract this package. To extract this package, we are going to use star command dot xvf, and let's copy this file name, downloaded file name, space hyphen capital C opt. Yes. Okay, the package is extracted. Now let's accept the license. Let's enter the admin username. Let's enter a password. Re-enter the password again. Yes, we have created an admin username and password. Now let's exit from Splunk user and let's log in as a root user. Exit. Yes. Now let's enable the boot start here. Okay. Okay. Let's first stop the Splunk and then let's enable the boot start. Let me redirect to the bin folder. In here, let's stop the Splunk. Okay. Now the Splunk is stopped. Now let's again try to enable the boot start. Okay, it's done. We have successfully installed the Universal Forwarder in Linux.